What questions should you ask farmers at upstate New York markets? Imagine strolling through a lively farmers market in upstate New York, surrounded by fresh produce, homemade jams, and local cheeses. You want to make the most of your visit and really connect with the people who grow your food. Asking the right questions can turn a simple shopping trip into a rewarding experience. When you talk to farmers, start by asking where and how their products were grown or made. This helps you confirm if the items are truly local and from New York State, which is often a requirement for vendors at these markets. Knowing the farm's location also supports local businesses and ensures you're getting the freshest possible foods. Next, inquire if the products are organic, pesticide-free, or sustainably grown. Farmers can tell you if they use organic farming methods or integrated pest management, which is good for the environment and your health. Asking about the varieties or breeds they grow can reveal unique or heritage options that you might not find in grocery stores. For example, some farmers grow heirloom tomatoes or rare apple varieties specific to New York. It's also helpful to ask when the product was harvested or produced. Freshness matters a lot at farmers markets, so knowing the date helps you pick the best items. If you're curious about preparing the food, ask farmers how to store or cook their products properly. They can give tips to keep your food fresh longer and help you enjoy it at its best. Don't forget to ask if their products have any certifications or inspections. Vendors must follow New York State Department of Agriculture and Markets rules, so asking about licenses or safety standards can give you peace of mind. Many farmers participate in programs like Fresh Connect, which doubles the value of SNAP benefits when buying fresh produce. Asking if they take part in such programs shows how they support community access to healthy food. You can also ask about the farm's history or farming practices. Learning about their background helps you connect with the people behind your food and support small farms across the region. If you're interested in trying something new, ask farmers if they have any seasonal or unusual products they recommend. Farmers markets are perfect for discovering hidden gems and seasonal specialties. Finally, ask when their busiest times are or which days are best to shop. This way, you can plan your visit for the freshest selection and support the farmers during their peak hours. By asking these questions, you help ensure your food is fresh, safe, and from a farm you can trust. Supporting local farmers also boosts the economy and keeps the rich culinary traditions of upstate New York alive. Remember, engaging with farmers makes your shopping experience more meaningful and helps build a stronger local food community.